Greetings, Ninja Marketers. Gary Wagnon, Ninja Marketing Dojo, and 800 Biz Ninja Marketing. Friends don't let friends build template websites. Now, I know the commercials say, buy your domain, build your site tonight, and have thousands of hits of traffic coming to it tomorrow. Well, part of that's true. You can buy it and easily set up their template building software, have your website up, have it beautifully designed, using with your own photos, dragging the text wherever you want it to go, and have it up and running. But the problem is the search engines don't like template sites. The search engines look at that, and that code that makes it easy for you to drop and drag, to move that picture just a little bit to the right, or to make that text a little larger or a little smaller. All of that text requires a lot of extra code, the code that waters down the search engine optimization, the content that's actually in your site. And as such, the search engines don't read it as well and don't rank it as well. The other problem is if you use a free service like a Website Tonight or something like that, the search engines know that you didn't pay anything for it. And as such, they treat it as that. They say, well, if it's not important enough for you to invest any money in it, why should we think it's of any value? And they very seldom rank template websites very well. But maybe you're on a budget. You can't afford to hire a web designer to do a custom site. And I understand that. Times are tight. People in startups or small mom and pops and just very little budget and trying to make ends meet. So they need a web presence, but they don't know how to go about doing it any other way. Here's a solution for you. Buy your domain name. You can buy them for 15, 20 bucks at some place like GoDaddy. That's my preference as far as domains go. And then get a hosting account. Have that domain hosted somewhere like GoDaddy, or my preference is HostGator. I like their hosting much better. Set up a hosting account and then install WordPress on there. Now both GoDaddy and HostGator have WordPress built into their hosting. So all you have to do is configure it, turn it on. It's very simple to use. And using WordPress, you can create an entire website. You can add photos, you can choose a template from literally hundreds of template designs that best fits your look. A lot of them you can customize it. You can put custom headers and anything you want, but you can add the content yourself. You can add the photos yourself. You can update, change, delete, add pages, anything you want. You can do it all because WordPress is built around a content management system. And as such, what that means is that you can keep it updated. You don't need to know any HTML to use WordPress. And Google loves WordPress. Because it is a very robust and a blog platform, Google loves it. So you're going to get the credit for having a custom design site from a search engine optimization standpoint. You're going to get the ease of being able to manage it yourself like a template. And it's going to be your own site, not somebody else's. Not built in somebody else's platform and hosted. And if you decide you want to move to another host, you can bundle up your WordPress, move it over, and reinstall it on another host. If you need help with any of that, setting up WordPress, I even do a basic custom installation for people if they want to, if they got a couple of $100 and they need help just setting up the site, creating some basic looks on there. I do that. So, but you can do a lot of that yourself too. So, hope that helps you. If you need custom design help, we're more than happy to help you. But please don't use the cheap sites that you see advertised on TV. You'll regret it. Gary Wagnon, 800 Biz Ninja Marketing. Have a great evening.